Now, I got my pizza dough over here. I was make my pizza dough by myself. Now, at the start, I gotta put a little flour on my beautiful table over here. And I want to put a little flour on my hand. Now, we take the pizza dough over here. Alright, we take this glass out and we start look how nice and beautiful this pizza dough. We gotta try this to make no run, but we gotta make little long like this. Look how nice this pizza dough. Nice.
Hi Debbie, you too. I know you gotta be let us know.
Let's drink a little wine. Salute e cincine everybody. Thank you so much for your support and thank you for the star. Thank you. Salute cincin. It's cold outside. It's a good, nice glass of wine. Salute. Good. Quando mamma ti ha fatta, usa perché ci facette, usa perché ci mettette. Di carne bella, per impastasti carne bella, tu quella che mettette, ok? Incappucciata la era. Non c'è bisogno zingara per addivinare con c'è. E come t'ha fatto mamma te, io saccio meglio te. This is the sauce I make every single year. Okay, now we do like a pizza, like this. Ma ti dico tutte cose, ricchinichine, tutte fraule e giardine, zucchero e cannella per impastare sta bocca bella. Non c'è bisogno a zingara per addivinare con c'è. Fatta mamma te, io saccio meglio te. D'ora, per fare sti trezzi d'ora. All right. We'll put the hammer first. Now, mozzarella. C'è bisogno zingara per addivinare con c'è. Fatta mamma te, io saccio meglio te. Okay, I think this, he got a little bit more. Let's finish all this, it come out a nice mozzarella, mozzarella, mozzarella. Pecorino cheese. All right. Let's put it right over here. Okay, now I like to put ham. Now, se you want, you can put a pepperoni, salami, prosciutto, what do you like, okay? It's not like I use ham, but you want to use something different, it's okay. Uè Maria, da suonnaggia persa che te famma dormire, una notte abbracciata che te. Okay, now it don't look beautiful. Okay, look nice. Okay, now we gotta roll. And we roll. Uè Maria, uè Maria. I got the oven already, it's a 400 degree. Okay, now when we do this, we gotta make sure the pinch this like that, they stay close. Now why? Let me put it. Quanta suonnaggia persa che te. I want to make sure this is stick together, okay? Wet a little bit with the water. Maria, da suonnaggia persa che te famma dormire, uè Maria, uè Maria. Alright, now I got some of the oil and I want brush. Some more. Okay. Now we gotta cover this, okay? And look at this. Look how beautiful it look. Now we put over here like that. Look how beautiful corn. This, look there. This, you see, it no go no place. Okay, now this you gotta go in the oven. Now you go in the oven. Okay. And we see later on, but let's drink with me, please. Salute e chin chin. Thank you for your support and thank you for the stuff. And we see it again when this is ready. Salute e chin chin. A salute and we see it again. Thank you. Now let's it's a half hour and let's see. And this, it looks so beautiful. Look at that. It looks so good. We put it right over here, and I want to taste this now. But I want to close the oven. I don't want something happen in the oven.
Oh, looks beautiful.
Okay.
You turn off? You turn off?
Yeah. It's a turn off, yes. And now, let's take one. I'll take this one. Look how beautiful it looks. Huh?
Yep.
Alright, now we got a little marinara sauce.
No, be careful, it's hot.
But this is really hot. Hey, but you know, you got to leave it cool off a little bit. I say this is good for the Super Bowl. But the Super Bowl, nobody want to use a fork and knife. But this is really hot. And what I do, I cut a piece. Like this, I can. Okay, now, you see now, I can use a little dip over here. It's really good, look at that. Look, you can see the ham, the mozzarella. Mozzarella, look how good.
Thank you, everyone, and stay nice and hot because it's freezing here. Okay.
Thank you, and we'll see you next time. And thank you so much for the start. Thank you. Salud e chin chin.